When factory air suspension systems start breaking down, most people reject the high cost of a dealership repair, and many get frustrated and eventually sell or trade the vehicle. But what about the second, third, or even fourth owners of these great vehicles? That might be you. Millions have bought a problem and didn't even know it. Keep watching this video if you are frustrated with air suspension problems and searching for a money-saving repair. First, let's explain how it works. This type of suspension uses compressed air to fill a rubber bladder, also known as an air spring, and these support the weight of the vehicle instead of a traditional steel spring. Now, some of the other components in this system include an onboard air compressor, air lines, electronically controlled height sensors, and a main computer to process all the data. Well, these systems work great when they're new, but in as few as 6 or 7 years and as little as 70 or 80,000 miles, the problems of an air suspension system come to light. And our customers tell us the #1 cause of air system failure is leaks in the system. With age and mileage, tiny cracks form in the rubber portion of those components. Air seeps out slowly at first, and then it leaks out faster and faster. This causes a tiny compressor to run way longer than it was built to do. And you'll know pretty quick when that compressor overheats and quits, because your vehicle is going to immediately drop 3 to 5 inches. If you still hear that air compressor running, don't let it fool you. It can no longer make enough air to keep the vehicle lifted. If a vehicle's down, you've killed a compressor. And at a minimum, to properly fix the system, you need to replace the air compressor and all of the components that contain a rubber bladder. Plus, you're hoping for all the electronics to still work okay. Do they? By the way, if you try to replace one item at a time, you may burn up multiple air compressors and start a vicious cycle of costly repairs. Well, here's the most popular alternative out there: installing a suspension conversion kit like the ones perfected by Strutmasters.com. You're basically swapping the air components for a traditional coil spring, strut, or shock tuned by Strutmasters.com specifically for your vehicle. Our kit just bolts right in, and it works. Most vehicles use traditional steel springs anyways, but these are no ordinary coil springs. Oh no, Strutmasters is the only company that features American-made steel coil springs. This is an affordable option to fix your vehicle once and fix it right. Check out our great website to see how to fix your vehicle. And if you're still unsure, give our team of suspension experts a call at 866-597-2397 before you buy anything.